aimed at building the understanding and passion for mathematics among young learners. This is the Equationators, your equation mathematical educators. Greetings students, we now set sail into the commencement of another lesson in the third quarter. This video will focus on permutation of distinguishable objects. With Equationators 10, you will be guided to making sense of the world that is made up of numbers and probabilities. Halina't matutunan.
After going through this lesson, you are expected to find the permutation of distinguishable objects and solve world problems that involve permutations of distinguishable objects. Today's lesson, we shall encounter more situations that involve orderly arrangements of the objects. The term permutation is used to indicate ordered arrangements of the objects. Sample number 1. How many permutations are there in the letters of the word love? Find how many ways can letter L, O, B, and E be arranged. We will then have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24 permutations for the letter of the word love. Example number 2. In how many ways can 3 boys and 2 girls be arranged in a row of 5 seats? Then simply simplify the 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120. Next example is, in how many ways can 6 books, low, 2, or which are the same, be arranged in a shelf? Then, simply simplify the 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 720. Next is, in how many ways can be arranged 7 books in a bookshelf that has only 5 capacity? Using fundamental principle counting, we know that 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is equal to 2,520. Permutation. The permutation of n objects taken n at a time. The number of permutations or different arrangements of n different objects taken n at a time in a row of npn, which is equal to n. We are now for our last example. Sample number 5. In how many ways can we arrange 7 books in a bookshelf that has only 5 capacity? Or arrange those 7 different books that take 5 at a time? The answer is 2,520 distinct arrangements.
And that wraps up today's lesson of permutation of distinguishable objects. This has been Equationators, aspiring to inspire a love for learners and problem solving to be part of the next generation. God bless!